Start.
Hi, in this video we are going to see problem in which we need to find the value of several trigonometric ratios which will be arranged in this manner. So we have given one problem over here. If tan theta is equal to 1, then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Now very first thing here we are going to do is whatever is given we are going to write it very first. We have given that tan theta is equal to 1. This is the very crucial step in this problem. Tan theta is equal to 1 means as per the values of trigonometric ratios, that table, tan theta when it will be 1, whenever this theta means that angle will be 45 degree, that is tan 45's value is 1. So we came to know that value of theta in this case of problem is 45 degree. So with respect to that value of theta, we are going to relate all the trigonometric entities. So let's write it here precisely as per trigonometric table of. So as per that, tan theta is equal to 1, and we know that whenever value of theta is 45 degree, that is tan 45's value is 1 as per the trigonometric table. So theta is equal to 45 degree. So wherever we are having theta in our problem statement, we are going to replace that theta with 45 degree. So as per that, sin theta is equal to sine 45, and we know that from the table of trigonometric values sine 45's value is 1 upon root 2. Similarly cos theta is equal to cos 45, its value is also same 1 upon root 2. See, one important thing in this kind of problem is you need to have proper knowledge of all the values of trigonometric ratios which are present in the trigonometric table. So we got two values, sin theta and cos theta, by substituting theta as 45 degree. Now let's do for the sec theta also. Sec theta equal to sec 45, and as per the table value of sec 45 is root 2, and similarly for cosec theta equal to cosec 45, its value is also root 2. Simply we will just substitute the values of these trigonometric ratios in this expression, and we will simply evaluate this expression and we will get value of this. So let's write this expression as it is again, that is sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Sec theta plus cosec theta equal to, we have value of sin theta, that is sin 45, it is 1 upon root 2. So simply we will write it over here, 1 upon root 2, plus value of cos theta is also 1 upon root 2. We will just substitute it over here, 1 upon root 2 upon sec theta value is root 2 plus cosec theta, its value is also root 2. We have just simply substituted these values. Now we are going to evaluate that particular portion. 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2, it will be 2 upon root 2 and in the denominator root 2 plus root 2, it will be 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Further, 2 upon root 2 into 1 upon 2 root 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. In the denominator, what is remaining? Root 2 into root 2. And answer of root 2 and root 2 is 2. So we are left with 1 upon root 2 into root 2, that is 1 upon 2. This is our answer. So as I mentioned earlier, this was the crucial step in this problem, and with respect to this trigonometric ratio, we have substituted the value of theta as 45 degree in all trigonometric ratios. Simply then we have written this expression over here again. We have substituted the values and we got the value of this complete expression as 1 upon 2. Thank you.